Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are starting our journey right now. We are at Wheelin' JP, my buddy Sean's house, with the Chris, and we are starting our journey down to Sand Hollow for Trail Hero. So stick around and enjoy some of the good scenery, and eventually you'll get to the rocks with us. So stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. Past into your brakes and then you'll have no brakes.
I'm just gonna. Oh, I see. It's got a little spring. Oh no, it's not full. Look.
Yeah. Oh, it'll push out on you?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, you got your grease, huh?
I think you have another tube, right?
Yeah, and then he's got a tube too. We're good.
Okay.
And if we have to,
we'll stop and get one.
Day 2 of our adventure. We are in Jerome, Idaho. We are on the way to Utah. It's gonna be like 100, yikes. Washington was like a balmy 70 or 60 something when we left. Hopefully we can all stay alive. It's 100 in the shade right now. My fan broke and it's just dumb, and I should have fixed it when it was giving me problems, and I said no, it's probably fine, so I threw another relay in there and here we are.
Haven't even wheeled it yet.
You know, a couple thousand miles away from home. Luckily, you know, Chris saved me again. Chris and Kevin, they saved me again. Can you believe that?
That's their thing.
That's how they roll. Yeah.
Honestly, this was a pretty dramatic little start to our trip. So this was right after we had registered. We had a trail run first thing the next morning, double Sammy, so stay tuned for that. We had an hour before AutoZone closed, we had found a fan. O'Reilly's didn't even have one in stock. Chris was able to run me up there. We got everything we needed and we came back and got the Sammy back together in the nick of time. I think we finished about 1 in the morning. Huge thank you to Chris for running me up there, Kevin, Sean, Mike, Courtney, everyone who reached out on social media and offered fans and their help as well. Please make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Our next video is our first trail out in Sand Hollow, double Sammy. It's rated 7 and we had a blast. I will be releasing that in a couple days, so make sure you got your notifications on, and that way YouTube will let you know when we drop our next video. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you guys next time on Fake News Off-Road.